Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, it's Friday night, y'all, and it is Friday night pie night, cake night, but tonight is Friday night peach turnover night in the air fryer. Y'all know I'm doing majority of my recipes this month is in the air fryer. I got my air fryer, matter of fact, preheating right now. And this is an easy recipe I'm going to show y'all. A lot of this stuff is store-bought, and we're going to put it together. Nothing better than homemade peach preserve and cream cheese in a puff pastry shell. It doesn't get much better. I'm going to show y'all how simple it is. So you get you some puff pastry. I have some puff pastry sheets. You know, you can find these in the frozen food section where the pie dough and all that is. Get you some frozen. Make sure it's the sheets and not the shells. Be careful when you pick it up and you don't get the shells and not the sheets. Puff pastry sheets. So I got a couple of these. I got some cream cheese here. I'm gonna slice later in there. I got some old school peach preserves here. If you don't have homemade peach preserve, you can definitely use the store-bought. I'm gonna top it with some old school sweet shake. This is the shake I was telling you about. It's for desserts, sweet shake, and that's gonna go a little bit on top. So I'll explain that later. But first thing I need to do is get the puff pastry cut out here. I've had it sitting out on the counter here about an hour, 35 minutes to an hour. I like to preheat my air fryer just to bring it up to temperature. You don't have to do that. I just like to, you know, preheat my ovens and things. Okay, put that to the side here. This is very simple, y'all. Very simple. Let me get a pan here. Put this on. As I do on here. Okay. I'm gonna cut these here. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Cut them in half. And cut them in half this way. I get four out of a sheet, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, y'all know I egg wash it first. So when it roll over, when I fold it over, it sticks and I don't have to mess up my filling. So I egg wash the whole puff pastry. It's so easy, y'all. Put a little peach in the middle here. Peach preserve there in the middle. Go. A bit more here. We'll come back with a little cream cheese here. A little cream cheese there and right on top of that. It's gonna be so good. You got that. This is gonna sweeten the cream cheese up, y'all. With the peach preserves. It'll be awesome. On that. And you can also put the cream cheese first. And put the peach on top of it, however way you want to do it. Okay. We're going to fold this over like a triangle. This is going to be triangle and not round. Just fold them over just like that, like a triangle. See that? Make sure you keep all your stuff inside. This one here. There we go. And we're going to go back with our fork here. Fork. Make sure we seal the edges. That's the key. We don't want our filling coming out in the air fryer. Put that on the pan now. And like I say, the egg wash, that's what seals the puff pastry for you. That'll seal the puff pastry. And you can use apple if you want to. You don't have to use peach. You can use cherry. Whatever fruit you have. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to egg wash the top of this. Nice color on it. Go. Now we're gonna come back with the shake. Put a little shake of sugar on there. There we go. We're gonna get these started in the air fryer here. How many I can get in here? Probably 2, and I can get some in my other. I can get 3 in my other one. Put this in here. 7 minutes, y'all. 7 minutes. So I'm gonna step back, get the rest of them going. We'll be back here in a few minutes when those get ready, and I'm gonna show you pretty much the finished product. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. It's been exactly 6 minutes. And look what we got here, y'all. Gotta be very careful when you're getting them out. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Let me get my spatula here. Let me get my spatula. See how that sugar done caramelized on top? Look how pretty those are. Put 2 more in. This took about 6.5 minutes, y'all. 6.5 minutes in the air fryer. Put these in here. Reset it here. 6 minutes. Let them go. How pretty and golden. Let me show y'all on the camera here. See how that cheese is melting out the side? Like I say, it don't take long on these. It's a very quick dessert, y'all. And see how that's nice old school soul food sweet shake made by Uncle Steve's Shake. I'll tell you, I'll explain at the end how you get that. See how it look, make the turnover just looks awesome, absolutely awesome. You got that cinnamon taste on there with the crystallized sugar. So I know all these flavors gonna work very well together. So we'll be right back. I got 3 more in my other fryer on the other side. So I'll be back when all of them are completely done. We'll do a taste test. And this is the easiest dessert y'all can do. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. Look how nice and golden brown and beautiful these are. 6 minutes, y'all. That's all it took in the air fryer. 350 degrees, 6 minutes. Let me try one out here. They so hot, so I'm going to have to cut it with a, like I'm cutting a steak. I want to cut it in the middle here so y'all can see something. See that? See how the cream cheese is soft? It's oozing out the middle there. Let's try this. You know this thing is so hot. I have to use a fork for this. Cream cheese nice and melted. Oh wow, y'all. You know what this tastes like? You're not gonna believe me until you try it. It tastes like a peach cobbler with ice cream. I swear. The thing is, you got the peaches in there. The creaminess of the cream cheese, which tastes like ice cream on top of it, with the dough. And you got the cinnamon and sugar topping from this here. The sweet shake. Old school sweet shake right there. Made by Uncle Steve's Shake. Go to UncleSteve's.com. Get you some of this sweet shake. Perfect for this right here, y'all. I did a video on it. How to get the old school shake. This stuff is awesome. Very quick dessert. You saw how quick I made that. It took 6 minutes. Really, the whole process took me 3 minutes to put them together. 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes in the fryer. 10 minutes, you got a full dessert right there. But what, 8, 10 people? Yeah. So I'm loving these air fryer videos. It's so quick and easy. I'm in and out the kitchen so quick. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this Friday night pie of the week. Even though it's literally not a pie, it's a turnover, but it's so good. Hold on, y'all. Let me get one more bite here and I'll close out the video. Oh, this stuff is so good. Look how that cream cheese just oozes in there with the peach. Peach and cream cheese work so well together, y'all. Wow. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. But anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please comment. Please like. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And like I'm showing y'all, I'm leading by example. I'm not only talking the talk, I'm walking the walk. 2021 slogan is, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.